Test. Okay, looks good. Welcome, everyone. My name is Ray Keller. I am the owner and the independent broker with Independent Island Life Insurance. Thanks for joining me for this quick video today. Just want to impart some wisdom for any of you that are considering life insurance for your family. So let me start out by first saying, if you are considering life insurance for your family, ask yourself one question, one single question. If you were to die today, would your family struggle financially to meet their bills, meet their financial obligations just in the next month? If you answered yes to that, then the cheapest, least expensive way to protect your family is with life insurance. So let's get that out of the way. If you answered yes, talk with me, talk with somebody about getting some life insurance. So what I want to do here real quick is just take a second and go through some of these images that I have just as a plug for my business and for my agency. I started this going on 4 years now. I've been doing it 100% virtual, strictly over the phone, going on 4 years. So I'm well experienced in doing life insurance over the phone. I'm not a rookie with this whole coronavirus. Speaking of corona, zero risk of coronavirus working with me. There's no face-to-face meetings required. As an independent broker, I have access to everything, including what they call simplified issue. No medical exam needed, instant approval all over the phone and the internet. So you can have the peace of mind of knowing that if you get life insurance set up through me, you are not risking infecting yourself or anyone else, or me for that matter. Instant approval all over the phone, as I've already mentioned. It's not that difficult of a process. If anything, if people really thought about it, I think most would prefer to do it over the phone. It's a very simple product to sell over the phone if done properly, and it gives you the freedom of not having to be pressured into any type of product. Like most agents, 99% of them do the kitchen table battle with you. They come to your home in your comfort zone, and they use fear tactics, fear mongering, and high pressure to get you to sign on the dotted line. And again, it's always the most expensive options out there. That's why they have to pressure you into it in your home, and they scare the crap out of you to do it. So approval over the phone means you can hang up at any time, is my point. And as I've already mentioned before, I am an independent broker with access to every carrier on this planet. Any carrier that will offer life insurance, I have access to them, and I'm contracted with dozens of them presently. And what does that mean for you? Lowest price possible. Okay, my plug is done. Now I wanted to get on to this particular segment. I partnered with a couple of, mom and pop shops. Not really. Gerber Life is my most recent partnership. I now have a direct-to-consumer website. What that means is you don't have to get on the phone with me or anybody else. All of your entire life insurance setup can be done within less than 10 minutes using this new platform, this direct-to-consumer platform. And I'll have this link for you in the body of this video. So just look for that link, click on that, but I'm going to walk you through this. So again, just mom and pops, but again, not really, I'm joking. Gerber Life, been around forever. I have a guaranteed issue product available through this platform, so that any of you that have been told you're uninsurable, you're too sick, you're too old, etc., Gerber Life has a product that's guaranteed issue. Simple as it sounds. Everyone's guaranteed to get it if you have a pulse. Of course, you have to be old enough as well, though, too. So. And then Haven Life is a new partnership I recently added. I'm going to get into that today, but all of these are big brands that have been around, big carriers, multi-billion-dollar carriers, been around for a long time, and A-rated, so they're the best of the best, and they're all available through this platform I'm introducing to you today. It's called Insure Me Now Direct, as you can see here at the top. So let's come down here. There's a lot of products. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm going to stick to life insurance today, and specifically term life insurance. So click here, start your journey. Here you go. You got a progression bar up top. We're at the very first one. This total takes about 30 seconds if you're really moving. So let's just pretend I'm you. I live in Utah. And another plug here. I have access to every carrier in all 50 states, no matter where you live. So Utah, the Provo zip code, whatever month, whatever date of the month. I'm going to use my year of birth though, 1977. I'm a male. I do not use tobacco. Never have. Hit next. Now we go to 3 options here. We got guaranteed issue, again through the Gerber Life Insurance Company. If you have been told you're uninsurable and you're 50 years or older, you're too sick, whatever the reason is, you've been declined, this is where you can find a product for you if you're 50 years or older. Scholarship. I do want to have another video for this sometime, but this video is going to focus on life insurance. But click on scholarship rewards. In a nutshell, I have a partnership that again no one else has, where you will get up to 1 year scholarship paid for out of a 4-year school, and there's over 400 colleges nationwide that you can use that scholarship towards. And the only way you get that is by working through me. It doesn't even mean you have to get a life insurance policy through me. You have to at least get a quote through me, and I can give you a $500 credit towards one of your kids' college education. So you would click on that on another time and hit next, go through the steps, and you can set yourself up with a $500 credit just to get started, just to talk to me, do a quote, even just to visit this platform. But where we want to focus today is on life insurance for the general public, people like myself. 43-year-old man, 5 kids, a wife, taking care of my elderly mom as well. You know, pretty healthy. This is your home. So you click on the life insurance, click on next. I would recommend any one of these two, honestly, but Haven Life does give you the 30-year option. Lightning issue with Fidelity only gives you 20 years max of term, which is more than enough. Most of your kids will be out of the home. Most of your dependents will be out of the home in 20 years. It's just going to be you and your significant other, or just you. So you don't need a whole lot of life insurance at that point in your life. But if you want a little more than 20 years, Haven Life is the place to go. They'll give you as much as 30 years, as you can see here. Coverage amount, they also give a significantly higher amount. I think Lightning only gives you up to $150,000 option, but you can get up to $500,000 with Haven Life. But we're not going to treat life insurance like a lottery ticket. That's advice I give everyone. This is not a lottery ticket. Just get something, anything, so that you don't have to leave your family on GoFundMe trying to find the money to bury you or cremate you. 100,000, 30 years, Haven Life. You know, again, we put in my age. I'm 43. I'm a male, non-tobacco. Buckle up, Buttercup. It's time to get your quote. Click on that. Haven Life. There's a brochure here, PDF. Click on that to open that up. 100,000 in coverage, 30 year. It's less than $50 a month. So you can see, super reasonable. All considering that you have no medical exam. It's instant approval. Takes about 8 minutes is the time I've clocked for most people, beginning to end. Then you have a policy approved in hand, sitting in your inbox, there to protect your family. So I won't go through the last steps, but we made it through all 4 of those steps of the progress bar. We are now at apply. Typically this only takes about 30 seconds to a minute to this point. Click on apply. The last 6 minutes are filling out the application and getting the instant approval. Hope that's been helpful. If it has been, please click the like button. Also share this video on your page. I promise you there's someone out there that'll watch this and that will help them, and of course it helps me in turn. That's just a payback to me for making the sacrifice to remain 100% independent so that I can help all of you. And you can look at my reviews. You don't have to take my word for it, like LeVar Burton used to say. You don't have to take my word for it. I've got lots of 5-star reviews, all of them bragging about how I've saved them a ton of money with my access to every carrier on the planet. Look forward to hearing from any one of you. There's my name, Raymond Keller, phone number. You can click on that, or just give me a call or shoot me a text, and we'll get on the phone and answer any of your questions and go from there. Thanks again. Talk to you all soon. Bye now.